If you are looking forward to make money online with side hustle, so this particular video is for you, because in this video today I'm going to share with you a particular strategy you can use to make money for yourself in the online space as a side hustle, right? So I have this quiz in my community earlier last week or late last week, when where I get to ask them which video did they want me to shoot next. We maybe Fiverr gigs or side hustle like this. So majority of them vote side hustle, which is why I'm recording this video. And every video you are going to see on this channel this week is going to be about side hustle that you can take serious and make money for yourself in the online space without any hustle, without any prior experience, without any AI skills. So I just want to explain this business model and this side hustle to you so you can leverage on them and make money for yourself. So, and I want you to know that this won't work for you if you don't put the right action and you don't implement every step by step that I'm going to walk you through in this video. So I'm not promising you any amount of your choice, neither I am promising you a certain amount that you're going to make within a particular period of time. But what I'm assuring you is, you put into place and you work on all of these things, you are going to be paid for your time and for your efforts in the online space doing all of this side hustle I'm going to share with you this week, right? So if you are not in my community and you would like to participate in the forthcoming ones or have a proper discussion with me in any of these things, you are going to click the first link in the description below so you can join this community and you can get to talk to me personally right there, and we can get to scale up together. So instead of me coming over to YouTube to answer your question in the comment section, you can just drop it on the group there and you tag me. So if that being said, guys, let's get on the screen and let me walk you through what I have for you today as a side hustle, right? So the website I'm going to walk you through on today is called Whop. So Whop is an app, let me just put it that way, an app where you can come over, you are going to discover some gigs that you can do to make money for yourself. This is more of like freelancing gig, but this one, you have all of the job on this website. All you need to do is just apply to them, join them, get the work done, and you get paid softly, right? So now you can see right here on my screen, they said Whop, the make money app. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this particular website. And although it's just been out, it's more like 2 weeks, 2 months old, or within like 3 months old, and this is not a Ponzi scheme. Is a side hustle website that you can leverage on. I've not been able to really work on it to test out, but I have friends that have made some money on air, and I'm going to explain everything because I asked them for a review and I asked them for how this works. So they explain, plus my own experience. I'm going to walk you through every of the things that we need to do on this website to make the money for yourself, right? So coming over right here, you are going to click on sign up if you don't have an account, which I guess almost all of you don't. So you just click on sign up, then you click you or any of these to sign up, or you put in your mail to continue. But for me, I'm just going to go back a little and I'm going to log into my account so I can show you this. So all I need to do now is to continue with Google and sign it to my account, right? So coming over right here, I'm just going to select my email address and I'm going to sign it to this particular account. So as you can see right here, this is the dashboard of my account. This is the home page of this particular account. And you can see I have a lot of charts. I have a lot of N right here, which is just one story. So a lot of charts, which I'm going to attend to. But now, how do you make money on this website? There are a lot of ways you can use to make money on this website. But the very first one and the most effective one is clipping, right? So I'm going to show you how you are going to do all of these things and how you are going to make this money for yourself, right? So all you need to do is to come over to this particular place. You can see discover. So you click on discover. So this is like the jump back. So as you click on discover, you are going to leave this live stream. You are going to see get paid for creating content. This is where you are coming to, right? This is where you are coming to. You can see this job, this clipping up. So you can post this job on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and you get paid you're going to see this. You get paid $2 for every 1,000 views you get. So let me explain this in case you don't understand what this clipping means. So clipping is just you taking a long form content which they are going to give you, the creator that you are going to use on this particular job. So once you get that content, you are going to clip it to like 30 seconds, maximum of 59 seconds, just to be like average shots. So you're going to post it, or maybe you can even do it like maybe 4 minutes, but I always advise short form like 59 seconds max. So you can post this as short reels and YouTube shorts or TikTok videos. So once you get 1,000 views on that post, you are going to earn $2. Just imagine your post happen to go viral and you got like 5,000 views. That means you earn soft $10 without any hassle, right? And if God is by your side, or maybe your luck is by your side as well, and you get to like have this trend, and you get to like 10,000 views, that's just soft $200 for yourself, or $20. And if you get to 100,000, that's like $200 for you, just soft, right? So now these are the jobs you can apply for on here, and this is the platform they want you on. So I'm going to show you how you are going to get this done, how you are going to clip this, and how you are going to post it on this social media. Definitely you use TikTok, you use Instagram, you use YouTube. So everything is just basically simple, and I'm going to give you the full gist on how you are going to do this perfectly, right? So you can see this person, he said David Guillaume, clipping up. So you are going to be paid $2 for 1,000 views, and you can see this person pays 50 cents for 1,000 views. This person pays $1 50 cents for 1,000 views. So that's how it goes. So for me, I'm just going to click on this first, and I'm going to apply if I can apply, because most time you can see this Whop is not available in your region. So you are going to go with the one that's available in your region by texting it out. So if you don't have anyone in your region at the moment, you can just take a little break around this, or you can just check it around, maybe connect to a VPN to get this out, and you are good to go, right? So let's just come over right here. You can show all, so you can see all of this. So you can see category, you can select if you want to narrow it down, and you can see type. So I'm just going to click clipping right there, so we can get to click have all these clipping stops, so you can see it right there. So this is just how it works. So you have to check the one that you are going to be applied for. You are going to join, that you will be able to join. So it's still saying not available in my region, so I'm going to look for the one in my region that's going to work perfectly in my region. Or most especially, you can just check it around, connect to VPN, and you are good to go. So once you try to connect to VPN, you are good to go by this. I don't have any VPN in my extension, and adding it up might take a little while, and I don't want this video to get longer, so I'm just going to keep it that way. I just give you the black cards. Turn on your VPN when you sign up for your account, but make sure you use the right information so you don't get blocked out, right? So use the right information, your details, use it all, but you can just connect your VPN to sign up so you can get to apply for multiple jobs. And once that is done, all you need to do, let's take this for example. So you can see this person. We can go over to YouTube to check who that person is. So now we are going to get this done. Coming over to YouTube, so you are going to search this person's name. So once we hit search, we are going to see this. So you can see this like a podcast or anything. So you can just click on the right one or any one of your choice. This doesn't matter. The video you are working with so far is for this person's name. You are just going to click on that video, then you download it out. Now it's time for clipping, right? So let me show you website to download. So normal me, I will just copy this URL, then I use this website called SS use downloader. So right here I have SS downloader, so you can see YouTube video. So once I hit that, I'm just going to download this video straight to my computer. So right here I'm just going to select the 720 So it's downloading, and I can download this, but I don't want to download this. I just want to explain. So let's just click download and let's get this done. So right, I have this video downloaded in my computer. As you can see that it's downloading. So the tools, there's an AI tool that is going to help us get this done, which is called Oppose Clip AI. So you can see it right here. So you can just click on the first one. So this is more like a paid tools, but there's a lot to do about this. So you can see right here, 1 long video, 10 viral clips. So all you need to do is to click on create 10 times faster. You can see right here. So you paste the video link and click on get free clip. So it's going to ask for you some things and you're good to go. So once this is done, although this video is going to ask you to sign up. So once this video is done clipping, you are going to have like 10, and at the end you are meant to download them and use it wherever you want. So if it being it TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So this is a paid tools. You have like 60 credits to get this video done for yourself, right? So now I showed you where to get the content, how you are going to monetize it, how you are going to set up the account, and how you are going to get the work done. So once you have the clip, now it's time to set up your TikTok video, TikTok channel, YouTube channel, Instagram channel, and you start posting this video. Then you submit the link right here at the end of your task, so they can track your views and you get paid. So you are meant to submit the video link 2 hours within 1 hour of your post, so they can get to notice it and approve it, and you're good to go. So it's perfect and awesome. So there's another way you can use to make money on this particular website called Whop, and I'm going to show you that is by becoming their partners. So if I come right down here to the menu, you can see become a partner. So once you click on become a partner, you can earn, this is your commission. You can see it right there. So you are going to click on apply now, and you are going to fill out this form. And once you get approved to their partner program, then you are now going to be able to sell this, refer people to this place to launch their campaign, and you make money from them ASAP. So that's another way you can use to make money on this website. Or maybe you have something to sell, is either digital assets or maybe a course or anything of your choice that you have as an, or maybe something you know that people don't know and you want to sell in exchange of money. You can still do that on Whop. So this is like a little beginner video about Whop. So more times in the coming weeks, we are going to be seeing me test driving all of these. I will do more with Whop, right? So we can make much money for ourselves if we put in the right work. So coming over to Whop again, you can see right here, you see start selling. And once you click on start selling, you can click on create your Whop, and you are good to go. You can see people are making money on here already. And you want to click on create your Whop. So here you are going to fill in your information about what you want to do and what you want to sell, so you can get noticed and you can make money off here, right? So that's another way. I just showed you 3 ways you can use to make money on Whop. So I want you to go out there now. Guest ahead is one of the side hustles I'm going to share with you this week, and in more videos I'm going to dive in more to this in details, and we are going to put everything to best practice, because I'm going to sign up a new account, as I've said to you, that you can connect to a VPN to get your account ready, so you can get accepted to every region that you want to accept job from, right? So test this out, guys, and let me know in the comment section whichever way you tried out and works for you best, right? So I've not been able to try this, but the very first one that's my friend comment very much is the clipping, because they pay per view. So imagine you do this on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and you get paid with just one content from 3 side views, right? So that's a whole lot, and something you can do basically. So now I want you to get out there, sign up to Whop. You can use the first link in the description below as well to sign up on Whop and register your account, get your clipping job ready, apply, then get the clipping done, then post it to social media so people can see it and you make money per your views, right? So if that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video about side hustle this week. So if you don't want to miss any updates, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and also click the first link in the description below to join my WhatsApp community, where we get to communicate one-on-one, do stuffs, answer quiz, and let me know your thoughts about this particular video. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, guys, stay at peace.